Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to add a dual clock on any Samsung. Now to do that, first of all, just tap and hold on the empty space on your home screen. Then tap on widgets. From here, just tap on clock. Now just scroll down. Now under dual clock, just select any dual clock style which you like. For example, I will select this one. Now just drag the dual clock widget to your home screen. And from here, if you tap and hold on the clock widget, now from this pop-up menu, just select settings. And from here, you can edit your dual clock widget. If you tap on first city, you can change the first city on your dual clock widget, just like that. Now just select a region. For example, I will select this region, then tap on change. Now just tap on second city, and from here you can change the second city, just like that. And if you disable background, you can disable the background on your widget. And also from here, you can enable or disable day and night colors. And lastly, under transparency, you can decrease or increase the transparency from the slider over here. And once you're satisfied with your widget, just tap on save. And this is how you can add dual clock on any Samsung. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.